Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create email automations in Squarespace email campaigns. This feature allows you to automatically send emails to subscribers based on specific triggers, saving you time while keeping your audience engaged. To get started, open your web browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main Squarespace dashboard where all your websites are listed. On the dashboard, you'll see all the websites connected to your account. Simply click on the website where you want to set up email automation. This step is important because each website can have its own unique email campaigns and automations tailored to its specific audience. After selecting your website, look at the left side menu. Here you'll find various management options for your site. Click on Email Campaigns, and directly underneath that option, click on Automations. This section is specifically designed for creating automated email sequences that run on their own once activated. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create Automation. Click on it to begin the setup process. A menu will appear showing different automation types you can choose from. For this tutorial, we'll select Welcome New Subscribers, which is perfect for greeting new people who join your email list. After selecting it, click Next to proceed. You'll now be presented with a selection of email templates. These templates are pre-designed to look professional and match Squarespace's aesthetic. Browse through the options and choose one that aligns with your brand's style. Once you've made your choice, click Create Automation to move forward. At this point, Squarespace will display your newly created automation. This is where you can customize everything to fit your specific needs. You have control over the trigger, which determines when the email is sent, the time delay, which sets how long after the trigger the email goes out, and the action, which is the actual email that gets delivered. Feel free to adjust these settings based on what works best for your audience and goals. If you want to customize the actual email content that will be sent out, simply click on the Action section. On the right side panel, you'll see an option that says Edit Email. Click on that to open the email editor where you can modify the subject line, body text, images, and overall design to perfectly match your message. Once you've finished editing and are satisfied with how everything looks, click the Activate button in the upper right corner. This will turn your automation live, meaning it will start working automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met, and that's it. You've successfully created an email automation in Squarespace that will help you stay connected with your subscribers without any manual effort. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.